Hello! Today, we're going to introduce how dates work in Excel along with an easy way you can use them. In this video, we'll answer the questions 1. What are dates in Excel? 2. How dates work in Excel? And 3. How you can use them. In Excel, we are able to use dates like numbers in calculations. The reason this works is because dates are just numbers. Each date has a corresponding number to it, starting back with January 1st, 1900 equaling 1, and each subsequent day increasing by 1. So this means January 2nd, 1900 equals 2, and today, April 23rd, 2023 equals 45,039. Let's see how this works in Excel. If I were to take 1-1 1900, 1-2 1900, and 4-23 2023, we can see the number that corresponds to these dates by clicking Control backwards apostrophe. Let's do that now. So as you can see, January 1st, 1900 does equal 1, January 2nd, 1900 does equal 2, and April 23rd, 2023 does indeed equal 45,039. Dates are essentially a different format for numbers. If I were to type in, let's say, 147, and I change the format of that to short dates in Excel, it will give us the corresponding date to 147. That date in this case being 5-26, 1900. Now, I'll show you a simple way to apply this in a calculation. We can use dates in Excel to find our age as well as the age of other people. All we need to know to do this is 1, the person's birthday, and 2, today's date. If we subtract the birthday from today's date, the result will be the exact age in days. Then we can divide by 365 to find out the exact age in years. Let's try to find a bunch of different people's ages using Excel. I've set up a list of 3 people and their birthdays, as well as today's date and the number of days in a year, so we can reference those in our cell calculations. Let's start with Harry Potter. Note that for these equations, I am writing them out with cell addresses that contain the values that we need in them instead of typing out the dates in their entirety. So when I type A2 minus B5, Excel will calculate 4-23, 2023 minus 7-31, 1980. Also note that I could be using the fill handle to fill out the rest of these calculations, but for the sake of practice, let's type them out in their entirety. So, as you see here, Harry Potter is 15,606 days old and 42 years old. Now, if we calculate Taylor Swift's age, we'll do A2 minus B6, and we can then see here that she is 12,184 days old. Then, if we type in C6 divided by C2, that will show us that she is 33 years old. Lastly, let's calculate my own age. Now, we'll be doing A2 minus B7, which will give us 6,945 days old. And if we do C7 divided by C2, we see that I am 19, and I can verify that I am indeed 19 years old. That brings us to the end of the video. You should now know that dates are a different format for numbers in Excel, why dates work in calculations in Excel, and how to calculate someone's age in Excel using dates. Now, go find out your own age and days. Thank you so much for watching.